Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset toolbar depending on workspace which you are in. Or you can create absolutely new workspace. In the left hand side there is my toolbar, and here in the right top corner there is this small icon. If you click on this small icon it will open this drop down. And currently, as you can see, I am in workspace which is called Essentials. I am usually working in Essentials, but you can select all other different workspaces, and depending on workspace which you are in, your toolbar here on the left hand side it will be resetting. As you can see, if I will click on 3D, now my toolbar has reset to 3D. And if I will go again to this icon, click for example graphic and web, my toolbar will again reset to graphic and web. And if I will click again, for example photography, then my toolbar will reset again, guys. You can select here new workspace, and here you can select toolbar. You give it a name, click on save, and whenever you will need this particular toolbar you will be able to access it by the name you will give it here on this workspace by clicking on this icon in the right top corner. So yes guys, this is how you can reset toolbars on Photoshop. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.